This sporty 2013 all-wheel drive Mazda CX-5 shows well inside and out. It looks great in metallic blue and is winter ready with snow tires installed on 17-inch alloy wheels. Around the back there's a color-matched spoiler, shark fin antenna, rear privacy glass, and dual exhaust. Opening the hatch reveals a large cargo bay that offers loads of room for your gear, and the carpeting is in great condition. From the driver's side, this 5-door SUV has a clean European look with a long hood line, chrome grille trim, and projector beam headlights. Inside, the cabin is roomy and comfortable, with form-fitting bucket seats, two-tone cloth upholstery, air conditioning, power windows and locks, cruise control, tilt steering, and an AM/FM CD display audio system with Bluetooth and steering wheel controls. The CX-5 seats 3 in the back, and with fold-down rear seat backs, you can transport larger items. The engine bay is clean and power comes from a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine mated to an automatic transmission. If you're interested in this 2013 Mazda CX-5, call today and book your test drive or stop by for a look. We're located on Leathead Road in Kelowna.